Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome to one of the first kind of commentary videos for my second channel. So, this video is going to be about the top 5 ways to grow as a designer if you're a beginner. And this could also help some of the people that are more ahead of the game than others, and people that are more advanced, but it'll still help out. These 5 tips don't really have much to do with skill. It has just most to do with consistency and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, it is be active on social media. Not posting wise, not just yet at least. Just be sure to be active. Comment on your friends' posts. Comment on people that inspire you. Just like posts, stuff like that. The normal stuff. Just try and be active. Try and be a part of the community. It helps and goes a long way, and it kind of gains you a little bit of support along the way. But don't just do it just to gain supporters. That's not cool. Just try and be a normal person, and it'll help you out a little bit. Tip number 2 is be sure to have a portfolio. Now, a lot of people I've seen in the community say that they're a graphic designer, and most graphic designers have a Behance portfolio or any kind of portfolio. So please make a portfolio. Don't say you're a graphic designer and then you have none of your work to showcase. Make a portfolio. Showcase your work so people know what they're looking at and what your quality of work is. I've seen a lot of people that don't have it, and I've seen a lot of people that know what they're doing. So just be sure to have a portfolio and have all your work showcased on there so people know how to reach you, and you might get even more clients with that just because they could see your quality of work. Tip number 3 is be consistent. Now, consistency, it's not just about posting, it's also about quality. So you want to have the same quality, good designs, great designs every single post you make. Okay? You don't just post stuff just to post it. That's not how that works. You post your quality work. You try to be as great as a designer as you can every single post. Don't just post stuff for likes or clout. Don't do that. That's a no-no. Okay, don't do that. Just post good designs, be active, put it on your portfolio after you're done, stuff like that. Just do that, okay? Tip number 4, post on Twitter and Instagram. Now, Twitter and Instagram are both great platforms for social media to grow your brand as a designer, and Instagram is super active, but you have to use tags, so be sure to use the correct tags. There's plenty of other videos you could use to know what to use the correct tags, or you could just look at other people's posts and see what tags they're using, and so on and so forth. But for Twitter, you could just do the type of design at the person the design's for, and then just do retweet and put retweet and feedback is much appreciated, because every designer needs feedback. It's a thing, okay? You need feedback to grow as a designer. If nobody tells you that's garbage, then you're not going to go anywhere, because not every single one of your designs is going to be the best it can possibly be. But personally, for yourself, it has to be. You have to put your best work out there in your opinion. And if somebody says, okay, you can improve on this, you can improve on that, then just listen to them. Just try and listen to certain aspects and try and work on that for your next post. It really helps. I have plenty of my posts have feedback on it, and I even at people and ask them for feedback, and it helps me out. So yeah, be sure to post on Instagram and Twitter, and it will help you out in the long run and expand your brand. Number 5, you can do this if you want. You don't really have to do this, but it kind of helps out branch you to another platform of social media, which is YouTube. You can upload your speed arts or tutorials or whatever you want to do. Upload a showcase of what you designed, stuff like that. Just upload that to your YouTube channel. Make sure you have all the tags, the right title, the cool looking thumbnail. Obviously, you're a designer. You have to showcase that you're at least decent at designing. So whatever you want to upload, be sure it's graphic design related to your graphic design channel. Don't upload something that's not related to graphic design at all to your graphic design channel. That just won't work. So just make a second channel if you want to upload gaming and stuff, which is kind of what I did. Didn't want to merge mine because it was kind of gaming subscribers and design subscribers. It wasn't really mixing and stuff like that. So this is the graphic design channel. Keep your stuff based around graphic design. Don't go to gaming and stuff like that and all kinds of stuff on your channel. Keep it to graphic design and you will be on your way. And make sure to promote on your Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Make sure you have the links to all 3 of those. Like for your YouTube, you have the link to your Twitter and Instagram. To your Twitter, you have the link to your YouTube and Instagram, and on your Instagram, you have the link to your Twitter and your YouTube. So everything is linked, and everybody can see everything if they just click on one part of your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to talk to you guys in the next video. Later.